Hello all. Previously we have seen insert operations in double linked list. Now in this particular video we will see how do we delete a node at the beginning of double linked list by using a function called delete at beginning. This is a user defined function. It doesn't accept any parameters because we are deleting the node at the beginning, so we don't have any parameters for this function. For suppose if head is pointing to null, that means the linked list is empty and we have nothing to delete in the double linked list because there are no nodes in the double linked list. So it will return. I mean to say this function won't proceed further because the linked list is empty. That is the meaning of it. For suppose there are some nodes in the linked list, how this function behaves, let us see. So that means head is pointing to some valid memory location in this case. So now in order to delete a node at the beginning, we have to take another pointer called temporary pointer, and which is also pointing to the head node. So what it signifies? So head pointer and temporary pointer both are pointing to the first node. Okay. So now we need to traverse head node to the next node by using a statement called head is equal to head arrow next. So head will move to the next node of double linked list. So to put it simply, temp will point to the first node and head is pointing to the second node. That is the meaning of it. So in this we are dealing with the double linked list, right? We are dealing with the double linked list. So what is the first node previous address? Anyhow the first node previous address will be null, right? So in order to facilitate that point, we are writing this condition. This is with respect to double linked list. This is the added code in double linked list. So please note this point. If head not equal to null, because since head is moved to the second node, head obviously going to be not null because head is pointing to some memory location in this case. Then in that case, null should be assigned with head previous part, so that second node previous part will become null, and then we can simply delete the temporary pointer, that is the first node. So instead of going through each and every line of code, I will take one example. I will explain through that example. That will be better. So let's get started. So this is the algorithm and this is the function which we already seen in dev.cpp editor. Now let us see some example and let's trace this function, by the way. So initially we are having 1, 2, 3 nodes in the double linked list. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3 nodes, and head is pointing to the 100th location. If head double equal to null, because head is pointing to 100th location, this condition won't be executed. Okay. So now we will take a temporary pointer which will point to head. So by the statement called struct node temp is equal to head. So by this line, both head and temp pointing to the first node itself. So now we have to move the head pointer to the next node by the statement head is equal to head arrow next. Head next address is 200. So 200 will be assigned to head. So head will move to the second location by this statement. So updated diagram as follows. Temp is pointing to the first node. Head is pointing to the second node. Now there is a important point with respect to the double linked list. So in double linked list, the first node previous part is always null. To facilitate this point, we have to check one condition. If head not equal to null, head is not null because head is 200, right? Is 200 not equal to null? Condition true. Head previous part will be assigned with null. So this 100 is no more in the memory. In this place null will comes in. Okay. So the updated diagrams look as follows. temporary pointer and null. This link is removed now. Okay, this link, this backward link is now gone because of this null assignment. Now we will free to delete this temporary pointer. Once that temp got deleted, the final linked list is as follows. Okay, so this is the null part, because the first node of double linked list, the previous address will be null only. So let's execute this code so that it will be clearer for you. So we are adding 10, 20, 30, that is the initial doubly linked list or double linked list, and we are deleting the node at the beginning, and we will see what is to be, so how this function works. Now let us try to execute and compile and run. So double linked list before deletion is 10, 20, 30 null. Double linked list after deletion is 20, 30 null. That means the first node got deleted. So in this way we can delete a node at the beginning of double linked list. Thank you so much. I will see you in next video.